I grew up on a farm. I grew up around dairy cattle. We had a dairy farm, and so my life revolved around the cattle. My dad did a lot with developing cattle for milk production, for herd health. He had that mentality through everything that he did, was just to constantly improve and let's make this better from what we have. He hired Harvey Bergen to build him some equipment. Harvey was very talented with steel, and Dad had the idea, and Harvey was able to turn that into steel. It's actually quite amazing to think of where PhiBer started at my parents' kitchen table in Crystal City with an idea, but since then it's connected us with people in Australia and South Africa, throughout Europe, especially all over the US and in Canada and Mexico. So it's really allowed us to see and meet all kinds of people from all other parts of the world and understand their struggles and how it's similar and yet different than ours. Most of our new ideas here start in a tractor seat, whether it be on our own farm or riding with a customer and understanding and seeing their struggles. That translates into some little scratch pad, and it gets thrown up to the design team here and goes through its paces with evaluating that. One of the things we've done at PhiBer is we've invested in some of the latest technology for our manufacturing space. State-of-the-art paint system. We have a lot of the latest technology when it comes to welding and fabrication, proper assembly tools. So we really invested heavily in the manufacturing space. For us to develop any new product here at PhiBer, it has to fix something. It can't be a Me Too product. That's not what we're about. We're about fixing what bugs you. A lot of things that we have eventually developed into product lines, we had no intention of ever selling through PhiBer. It was just, we thought maybe this would just be for our own farm. We would just fix this problem, and other people thought, no, that has wider reach than just us. So a couple decades later now, we still have that same mentality. It's looking for solutions and seeing issues and being bothered by them and wanting to fix them and to create a better way or more efficient way. That continues to be a center part of our culture and our product line. We love connecting with people, whether it be our own farm. We still farm today. We've met many people now along this journey, and hearing their ideas and watching their struggles and figuring out how can we add efficiency to our farms. We continually innovate by partnering and staying connected with these farmers, with our own farm, and understanding the struggles of the industry. What are our biggest challenges? How can we address them? As margins on farms get tighter and tighter, efficiencies have to keep increasing. We have to get better at what we're doing in all kinds of ways, and that makes it very exciting for us here at PhiBer, because that's our passion. That's what we love to do.